On your Apple iPhone, sometimes so much data will be backed up to iCloud, and in that, data in Drive will also be backed up. If you don't want to back up data in Drive to iCloud, you can disable that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to do that. For this, open Settings. When you're opening Settings, above you can see your name or your phone's name. Click on that. And after that, when you're scrolling down, here you can see the iCloud option. Click on iCloud. When you're clicking on that, here you can see the Save to iCloud option. Here next, you can see See All. Click on See All.
When you're clicking on that, here you can see iCloud Drive. You need to select this iCloud Drive. When you're clicking on that, here you can see Sync this iPhone. It'll be turned on. If you don't want to back up this data to iCloud, you need to disable that. When you're clicking on that, here you can see Turn off syncing iCloud Drive. You need to click on this. When you're clicking on that iCloud Drive backup will be disabled. So this way you can easily disable Drive data backing up to iCloud on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.